My name is Adekunle Mutiu, a member of GMG Group, student in Part 7 Group. I would like to talk on Green Marvel Global, which is GMG. Firstly, I will let you know the meaning of GMG. GMG is a community that render help for those who need the help. It's a mutual community that render help for those who have assisted, who are selfless. It's a community that gives financial freedom, financial opportunity. We have a lot of definition for Green Marvel. Presently, we are in 4 countries, including Nigeria. Green Marvel participant PH, which means pledge help to another participant that need certain amount of money with their spare cash. In GMG, you PH what you can afford, what you can be able to lose, because guarantee is not short. Green Marvel, that's why they say Green Marvel helped, is a community of financial freedom. We are a community that is render help on the principle of power of giving. On the bulletin before me, I have types of Marvel, are bonuses attached to GMG. Under bonuses attached to GMG, we have the referral bonus, we have MMD Frost, we have guiders bonuses, referral bonuses. These are the bonuses which accrued to your direct line. The person you bring in, you collect 10% from it. MMD Frost, from the whole once all your cash have been confirmed, they will give it to you. You collect your money. Guided bonuses, these are the guided bonuses from level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Under the GMG2, we have rules of GMGs, which is advised: use your spare cash. Say no to multiple accounts. GMG, why GMG is preferred to all those platforms or the funds it operates just similar way the fund has no recommitments, but GMG has recommitment policies. No hit and run in GMG. Long-time sustainability in GMG. Referral bonuses policies. We have guided bonuses. I will mention them, but later I will explain to you. We have guided bonuses. We have bonus conversion, which is 30%. No post mode. No essential restart like Paying hold Marvel. No multiples accounts. No fake PH. Well considered. No post mode. No essential restart like Paying hold Marvel. No multiple accounts. Registration bonuses on 60 days. No fake PHP because 10% is there. Well considered guided bonuses percentage. 14-day locking, carefully designed for system stability, longevity, faith and simple currency. Is adopted as a medium of help. We have faith and simplicity adopted as a medium of help. Human factors are eliminated. Fake PHE, which are fake PHE withdrawal of guided bonuses. Dummy accounts, withdrawal of guided bonuses. GMG software, no easy exits, no fair bonuses fees, no guided bonuses fees. Maximum PH is 1 million naira to 0.5 BTC for those who are PH in Bitcoin. Minimum PH of 1,000 to 0.004 BTC. Manual integration and auto verification of bank account details. No overgrowth break. No overgrowth of Marvel. You can't just leave your Mavro after 30 days. If you leave it, it will still be there without any increment. Matching automatically done by Mavro robots. It's not a woman, it is being done by robots. Active robot verifier. Active robot verifier. Telephone verification. See, we have city formats in all the countries in all the states in Nigeria. Action and inaction of participants. It is advisable to recommit after 26 days. That is, if you PH on 1st of January, you are expected to recommit on 26. Because commitment is compulsory to everybody. The commitment is compulsory to everybody. To avoid your recommitments, counting as a normal pH, i.e. 4 days to your GHD. 4 days to your pH on the 1st, you are expected to do that, to do your recommitment on 26. And secondly, to know your get day, always visit your Mavro. It is important that you should always visit your Mavro. Check every day. That is where you are getting money for. Check every day. It's not hunting, because blocking is not, to unblock an account is not easy. So it is advisable to check your PO every day. That is where you are getting money from. That's why they say visit your Mavro section, locate your PH, searching another reference number. Another one, it is advisable to upload proof of payment. Immediately you paid, ensure you upload to enable the receiver confirming on time, because to avoid CRO to block your accounts, because once your account is blocked, it is not easy to unblock. It will need your consensus, it will need your guide approval, which has not been easy in GMG. Another thing, if you decide to join Green Mavro and build up your own successful structure, just ask me how is it. So as you can see, taking part in GMG is not only interesting but very rewarding. GMG Mavro remains system goals to improve women's financial status through donation to make them live, healthy and buoyant financial. Green Mavro, which is GMG, is a sustainability working platform for many years. At least I personally believe in that. Following this Sagi Mavrovian ideology and not a temporary gain ideology, and not a temporary gain on the participant, so you can participate without any fear. Fear not in GMG because of the recruitment policy and the structures put in place by the admin. GMG is preferred. GMG is preferred. We have some terminologies. What is PO? Personal office. That's private GMG online. That's personal. Log into your PO and check on daily basis. It's very compulsory to avoid you being blocked by the CRO. Providers, which is PH, pledge help to the person that have an access, that have a spare cash, to donate to the person that is selfless. What is GH? GH gets help. For those that need help, you give it an help of certain amount. At the end of the month, you collect your 30%. VOH, video of happiness. If you feel you want to be rewarded, go to online, do your video and put it on YouTube for many viewers. DL, what is DL? That's downline. We have upline. Downline is your subordinate. It's the person that you introduce. It's the person that is paying your 10%. It's the person that you introduce. You have to tell the person the rules and regulation of Green Mavro, because to unblocking of our account, it has not been easy. They are not taking it easy. That's why there is jingles, offline, online messages on that. What is the downline? Downline, that's your subordinate, the person you introduce. We have upline too. Upline is the person that bringing him. That's ABC. A is your upline, B you are the B, while your downline is the C. PMT, that's payments. Pay on time, so avoid being blocking. EFT, electronic transfer, even though the Nokia 310 can do electronic transfer easily without any hindrance. So it is advisable, just go and ask for your bank code. For Ecobank, we have star 326 777 for GT and so many other ones like that. POP, proof of payment. Upload your proof of payment. That's the evidence that shows that you have paid. We have DO, direct deposits. CRO, that's the policy. That's the control and revision officer. If the receiver is delaying your confirmation, the CRO will intervene and will confirm. Moratorium is not advisable for you to be checking your bank account on time. If you are checking, if you are altering, your account will be on moratorium. Your account will be on moratorium. So it is advisable to check. What is meaning of agreement? To end my program, I will still give a meaning of GMG. GMG is a global financial and a donation esteem. GMG is a community of ordinary people, selfless, helping each other, created by a group of former MMD participants and guiders. GMG ideology. The main goal why participants created this community is to continue in fighting the unfair financial system of the world. Unfair financial is not only Nigeria. We are having that. We have it in everywhere. I will end my program here.